Welcome to this updated guide on how to enable pop-up notifications for uploads and downloads on Google Drive. If you've ever missed an important update about your files being uploaded or downloaded, this quick walkthrough will help you turn on those alerts so you're always in the loop. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the main Settings app. This is where we'll manage the little details that control how Google Drive notifies you. Once you're inside your settings, scroll down until you see Apps, then tap on it. The Apps menu is where you can find every app installed on your phone, along with their individual notification and permission settings. From here, scroll through your list and look for Google Drive, then tap on it. This will open everything related to Google Drive settings at the system level. Next, tap on Notifications. This section controls exactly how Google Drive communicates with you, from silent alerts to banners or pop-ups. Inside Notifications, look for notification categories. Tapping here will reveal different types of alerts that Google Drive sends, grouped by purpose. Find the option labeled Uploads and Downloads and select it. This is the category we want because it's responsible for notifying you whenever you're transferring files. Now, all you have to do is toggle on the option that says Show as Pop-up. Once this is enabled, every time you upload or download files on Google Drive, you'll receive a clear pop-up notification directly on your screen. That's it. Simple and effective. By turning on this setting, you'll never miss an update when your files finish uploading or downloading. It's especially useful if you often work with large files or rely on your phone for quick access to important documents. So, take a moment to follow these steps on your own device and enjoy the convenience of always staying up to date with your Google Drive activity. Thanks for watching.